Good morning to all. I am Praful Ranjan, Assistant Professor, EC Department, THDC, Institute of Hydropower Engineering and Technology. Today I am going to take class on flip-flop conversion. It means that one flip-flop convert to another flip-flop. So we can proceed. Here the flip-flop conversion. Flip-flop is a sequential circuit, and four type of flip-flop we have mentioned earlier: SR flip-flop, JK flip-flop, T flip-flop, T flip-flop. In conversion, flip-flop conversion, we have options, so many flip-flop conversion in the screen: SR flip-flop to JK flip-flop, JK flip-flop to SR flip-flop, SR flip-flop to D flip-flop, D flip-flop to SR flip-flop, JK flip-flop to T flip-flop, JK flip-flop to D flip-flop, D flip-flop to JK flip-flop. It means then four flip-flop are converged one to each other. First one is SR flip-flop to JK flip-flop. It means that you can convert SR flip-flop into JK flip-flop. So then we have first to check SR flip-flop. In previous SR flip-flop, the excitation table is this. The Q1 is present state, SR is the value of, and Qn plus 1 is the next state. So we have to start where present state 0. When SR is 0, 0, there is no change, 0. When present state 0, and when SR 0, 1, it will be reset. When present state 0, 1, 0, it means the set value. When present state 0 and 1, 1 SR value, then it's the indeterminate form. Another one, when present state 1, then when 0, 0 SR value, it goes to 1. Because present state is 1, no changes, so output is 1. When 0, 1, present state 1, then it will reset, and 1, 0, present state 1 is the set, 1, 1, present state 1 is the indeterminate form. So this is the excitation table already I have covered in the previous lecture. So this is the requirement of conversion from one flip-flop to another flip-flop. So first we have to start SR flip-flop to JK flip-flop. So the truth table of the flip-flop conversion are given below. The present state is represented by QP and QP plus 1. QP is the present state, QP plus 1 is the next state. In JK flip-flop, to input JK, there will be 8 possibility combination, each combination of JK, QP and corresponding QP plus 1. So again, we have to start in conversion table. In conversion table, you can see J and K input sections are there. This is the input section. This is the present output QP, and this is the next state output, and the combination with SR input. So we have to convert SR flip-flop to JK flip-flop. So here to start in this section, we have a start. What are the JK input section? What are the output when JK value is 0, 0? Output is QP1, QP plus 1. Okay, so then we have to start when 0, 0, JK. If present state 0, then next state no change. When 0, 0, if present state 1, no changes. If 0, 1, it is to be reset, 0, present state 0 1 1 present state, it will reset. When 1 0 present state 0, then it goes to be set. In 1 0 condition we have to set, so either 1 or 0 it goes to be 1. When JK input section is 1 1, then is the condition output is toggle. It means if 0, then next state is 1, if 1, then next state to 0. Here after that we have to combine with the SR input section. In SR section we have to check whether present state 0 and next output is 0, then what is the condition of the SR value. So we have to determine in this section where present state 0, next state 0, what is the value of 0 0. So if present state 0, next state 0, what is the value? SR 0 0. And what is the present state 0, next state 0 0 1. And the two forms are there. Two forms are there. Two forms, it means that the SR value, what is the SR value? In SR no changes there, in 0 to 0 and 0 to 0. SR value 0 no changes, but 0 to 1 changes there. So what is the SR value? SR value is if no change 0, R value change, it means that either cross value or don't care condition. So when present state 0, next state 0, SR value is 0 and cross. So here is the mention in 0 and cross. Then if output, present output is 1, next output is 1. So what is the value of present output 1 and next output is 1, and present output 1 and next output 1. Though both conditions are there. So in S value 0 to 1 it will change, it means then cross sign, and 0 it is 0, it means cross and 0 sign will be mentioned here. 0 cross and 0. Again 0 0, then above state 0 0 and cross, so we have mentioned 0 and cross. Present state 1 and next state is 0. Present state is 1 here and next state is 0. Only 0 and 1 is there. Another possibilities are not there where present state 1, next state 0, 0 1. So here is the mention condition 0 1. Again 0 1. Present output 1 0, next output 1, 0 to 1. So here is the mention 0 present state, next state 1, then condition SR value is 1 and 0. No other value is there. So 1 1 and 0. When present state 1, next state 1, above condition also mention cross 0, then cross 0. 0 1, 0 1 means 1 0, 1 0. 1 0, 1 0 already mentioned, 0 1 0 1. So this is the conversion table between JK flip flop and SR flip flop. After that we have to draw a K-map solution. In K-map solution we have to draw for S condition के लिए, and another one is R. For we have to solve K-map for S condition, we have to solve R condition. Here the input section is J, K and QP. So for the S flip flop we have to draw K-map. The condition input section is J and K and QP, and we have to fill as like JK map solution. We have to fill where is 0 0 0 in 0 0 0 1 cross sign 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 0. So we have to fill in this condition, and we have to solve out what is the possibility of pair. The first pair, one pair is mentioned here, S equal to ZS QP. Another one is solved for R condition. Another next thing, JK QP, same input are there, we have to mention here, and possibility of only one pair. it means then K, Q, P. So we have mentioned two equations in K-map solution, S value and R value. How to design for SR value? S value, it means J dash QP. Suppose that one flip-flop is there. If flip-flop is there, where SR input section, C is the clock pulse, QP is the output section, QP dash is also output section. So what is the value of S? S value is J dash QP. So J dash QP, it means that one section is input section, J dash QP, one gate is added, where the multiplication section J and QP dash. So we have to start dot here and go to the input into this AND gate, and J QP dash equal to S equal to J QP dash. Next R is K QP. So one input is K, another one input section is from QP. So we have to move. This is the final conversion of SR flip-flop to JK flip-flop. Another one we have to exercise JK flip-flop to SR flip-flop. Just reverse JK flip-flop to SR flip-flop. Same condition we have mentioned, and the conversion table, we first make conversion table. In conversion table, we have a start in SR input section, output section for QP and QP plus 1 for SR JK flip-flop. And after that, we have to convert into JK input section. So SR flip-flop 0 0 0 0 0 0 1, as it is 1, no changes, 0 reset, 1 reset, 0 to 1 set value, 1 set value, and 1 1 condition is invalid state. And after that, we have to start JK matching section. So again, we have to start again 0 to 0, present state is 0 and next state is 0. What is the JK value? So again, we have to start this. So in when present state 0, next state 0, JK flip-flop are same also, 0 cross 1, 1 is to 1, cross 0, 0 0, 0 cross, 1 0, cross 1, 0 1, 1 cross, and 1 1 cross 0. In invalid state, we have to use don't care condition. So again, we have to solve JK K-map solution for J solution and for K solution. For J solution, we have to solve input section S, R, and QP. Present input J, S, R value for next state output. So we have to fill the K-map, we have to solve, we have draw, pair, quad, octet. So we have to design a quad, because in here cross value is the don't care condition or cross value, so we have to use in this section. In previous, when K-map solution is there, we have ignored in them, but in this flip-flop conversion, we have to treat all the pair or quad we have to there. For J value, final value is S, and in there the one quad is also there, so K is equal to R. The possible equation we have to solve K equal to R and J equal to S. When J and K is the input section, C is the clock pulse, QP and QP dash is the output section. So again, no changes. J for S, K for R. J for S, K for R. This is the final section. So this is the method of solution to how to convert from one to another one.